today I am here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and we are about to go out boating here on Bay Lake. And I won't be alone. I have some friends joining me here very shortly. Ooh, it sounds like a boat's pulling in behind me back there. Until they get here, I was just checking out back here, seeing what the prices were like, all the things that you can rent while you're back here. But here in about a half hour, we'll be hitting the waters out on one of these boats. And I'm pretty excited because I've never got to do this before. Not too long ago, Josh actually got to go fishing with some friends of ours. Unfortunately, I had to work that day. But today, I get to do this while Josh is working. So, should be a good time. So I said some friends were going to be coming. Here is one of them.
Yep, hi.
And so I said we were going to be going out to do this little boat ride.
And we're not.
But guess what? It's about to storm, so we can't do that now.
Yeah. They want to worry about our safety, they said.
They do.
Safety begins with me.
So we're going to walk. We're actually on the 11th floor, and we're going to go outside and walk up to the top and just look at the nice views all around.
Hey, yo, Josh.
So we came back down to the 4th floor after we saw our beautiful views. And I didn't mention this, but check out our awesome ears.
Oh, yeah.
We got matching ears from Brooke. They're awesome. But yeah, we're about to go through security. We are gonna go monorail resort hop right now.
It sounds fun. I'm trying to pick a scent, a soap, but I want the soap to pick me.
So we're in here in Basin, and we just got to wash our hands.
Yeah, it's like something you do when you're an adult.
It's exfoliating. They smell really good. I did like a lemon scrub.
I did pink sand.
Nothing but like.
And then you put the towels.
It is now storming, officially. We heard thunder outside and felt some raindrops and ran back inside. Nate's getting his B-roll back there. So I really don't know what we're gonna do. We're just sort of walking around, looking at things and wandering.
We're not really,
You're out of frame, most definitely.
we're not really like, actually doing anything.
No,
I'm
really
gonna
not.
talk really slow so that way we have quite a long vlog.
But I will be back here on Saturday to film a dining review.
Oh, yeah.
But you probably won't see it for a little while because we have a lot of dining reviews in the queue. So it is coming. Okay, so I think that's gonna finish up the day here over at the Contemporary and the rest of the monorail resorts around Magic Kingdom. Unfortunately, Nate is so upset because we did not get to do our boat rental today. And basically, we came over here to do this because the Sammy Duval rentals are all going to be ending. This week is the last week you can do the water skiing, parasailing, and boat rentals here at the Contemporary. You are going to be able to do the boat rentals at the other resorts and probably still here at the Contemporary, but all of the other cool like water sports are going away. Nate's hiding because he's sad, so.
We were gonna go parasailing next week.
Yeah.
She just figures that on the week of my birthday.
It's never her birthday, don't listen to her. But anyway, vlog is over right now.